Right now, AI is completely taking over the trading industry, and most people have no idea it just happened on one of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world. A few months ago, if you wanted to run an automated futures strategy, you needed to know how to code. You needed to understand quantitative models, set up bots, pay for expensive subscriptions. It was a whole thing. Most retail traders just gave up before they even started. Mexy just changed all of that this quarter. They quietly released an AI strategy builder inside their futures platform. And almost nobody is talking about it. You can literally type in plain English what you want the market to do, and the AI builds the entire strategy for you. No code, no complex settings, completely free. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works step by step, from accessing it to launching your first AI strategies live in the market. Let's get started. One important thing before we continue, always make sure you're signing up through a trusted link. There are a lot of scam sites out there pretending to be Mexy. My link in the description takes you directly to the official platform. And with my exclusive link, you unlock massive welcome rewards. New users can claim up to 10,000 USDT in bonuses, including a 1,000 USDT position airdrop on Micron, SpaceX, or Bitcoin when you complete advanced KYC+. There's a 7,620 USDT futures bonus if you get a cumulative trading volume of 1 million USDT within a specific time period. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Mexy and how to claim every bonus available. So do yourself a favor, use the link below. It's the safest and most rewarding way to get started. So before we get into the tutorial, let me quickly explain why this is actually a big deal. Because I think a lot of people are going to scroll past this and completely miss it. For years, automated trading strategies were only available to people who could code. Hedge funds, quant traders, developers. They had access to tools that could monitor the market 24/7, react to signals instantly, and execute trades without emotion. Retail traders like you and me, we were just watching charts manually and hoping for the best. Then came trading bots, but even those had a high barrier. You still needed to understand API, configure parameters, and in most cases, pay a monthly subscription just to use them. What Mexy has done here is completely different. They built a conversational AI just directly inside the futures platform. You describe your trading idea the same way you describe it to a friend. Something like go long on Bitcoin when it breaks above the 15-minute moving average. And the AI automatically configures every single parameter for you. The pair, the trigger conditions, the direction, the leverage, the take profit, the stop loss, all of it. And on top of that, and this is the part that really got my attention, it monitors social media in real time. We're talking X, Truth Social, posts from people like Donald Trump, Elon Musk, CZ, and it can use those as signal sources for your strategy. So if a market moving post drops, your strategy can react within seconds. That is genuinely something that was not available to retail traders before. So yeah, this is worth paying attention to. Now let me show you exactly how to use it. Alright, so to access this, you need to be on the Mexy Futures trading page. If you don't have an account yet, the link is down in the description. Make sure you use it because you'll get the best sign-up bonus available. Once you're on the futures page, it's going to look like the standard perpetual futures interface that you're probably already familiar with. You've got the chart in the middle, coin selection up in the top left, the order book sitting beside the chart, and the order placement panel on the right side, where you set your margin mode and leverage. All the usual stuff. Now here's where it gets interesting. You're going to see a new section called AI Strategy. Click on that. The first thing that will pop up is the Mexy AI Policy Agreement. Just read through it, agree to the terms, and then click Create Strategy. That's it, you're in. Now once you're inside, let me walk you through what you're looking at, because there's actually a lot here, and I want to make sure you understand each part before you start clicking things. On the left side, you'll see a View Strategy Now button, and below that you'll find a list of popular strategy prompts. These are pre-written strategy ideas that other traders are already using. Think of them as templates, a really good starting point if you're not sure what to type. Go ahead and click on one of those popular strategies. When you do, it's going to show you the full configuration. The trading pair, the trigger conditions, the direction it trades, the leverage being used, and the take profit and stop loss levels. Everything is laid out clearly so you can see exactly what the strategy is doing before you run it. On the right side, you have all the editable details: the pair info, the margin mode, the leverage, and any other parameters you want to adjust. So if you like the strategy but want to change the leverage or tweak the take profit, you can do that right here. Once you're happy with everything, click Confirm. If you don't have enough funds in your sub account, a pop-up will appear letting you know. Just transfer the funds over and then click Confirm and Run. Keep in mind, and this is important, Mexy AI strategy runs through an independent sub account. Your funds are completely isolated from your main account. So even if a strategy takes a loss, it does not touch your main account margin. That's a really solid safety feature, especially if you're just getting started with automated strategies. Now on the right side of the interface, you'll also see a recommended strategies section. This is broken down into a few different tabs. You've got hot strategies, a 7-day ROI leaderboard, and a 7-day win rate leaderboard. For each strategy listed here, you can see the type of strategy it is, the trading pair it uses, the leverage being applied, the 7-day ROI, the 7-day win rate, the recent trades it has taken, and a chart showing exactly where it entered and exited. So you can actually look at the track record of a strategy before you decide to run it. That's a really useful feature. You're not just blindly following something, you can see how it's been performing. If you want to use one of these recommended strategies, just click Create Strategy on whichever one you want. It'll show you the same details as before: the open trigger, the close trigger, all the parameters. And once you're happy, click Confirm and you're live. Now this is the part I think is the most exciting and honestly the most powerful feature here. If you want to build your own strategy completely from scratch, you're going to see a button that says Got Questions? Just ask. Click on that. This opens up a chat interface where you can literally type your strategy in plain language. Something like, I want a 30-minute MACD signal for leveraged two-way trend trading on mainstream coins with take profit and stop loss set in advance. The AI reads that, understands it, and builds the full strategy configuration for you automatically. And here's a cool feature. If you're having a hard time typing it out, you can actually use your microphone and just speak your strategy. I think that's a genuinely useful touch, especially if you have a complex idea and you just want to talk through it quickly. Now let me show you the signal sources, because this is where it gets really interesting. Inside the strategy builder, you can check the signal sources that the AI can monitor. And the list here is actually impressive. Price action and technical indicators from the Mexy platform itself. Things like MACD, KDJ, moving averages, candlestick patterns, public figure posts from X and Truth Social. And we're talking Donald Trump, Elon Musk, CZ, people whose posts genuinely move markets, geopolitical news, and event probability data from sources like Polymarket. So the sources here are very much up to date. You're not just running a basic indicator strategy. You can build something that reacts to real-world events as they happen. That's a level of signal integration that most retail traders have never had access to before. A couple of things to keep in mind with the signal sources. You can combine up to 2 strategy types in a single setup. Monitoring-based strategies, the social media ones, need to be paired with a price condition to work properly. The AI supports 8 different candlestick intervals from 1 minute all the way up to 1 day, so you can build both short-term and longer-term strategies. Before you go ahead and launch your first strategy, just a few quick things to keep in mind. Leverage goes up to 50 times, but it's capped at whatever the maximum is for your specific trading pair. So just be aware of that and set it according to your own risk tolerance. If you're just starting out, keep it low. Positions close only through your preset take profit or stop loss. The AI will not partially close a position, and it won't automatically add to a position either. That's actually a good thing. It keeps the risk management clean and transparent. You can only run one strategy at a time right now. So if you want to switch strategies, you'll need to cancel the current one first and then create a new one. And the whole thing is completely free. No subscription, no coding, no complicated setup. Just describe what you want and let the AI do the work. All right, and look, for the next few years, 2 kinds of traders will exist. The ones using AI and the ones still doing everything manually. Same market, very different outcomes. Here's how you get on the right side of that. I have put together everything inside the AI Trade Edge community. Every prompt, every bot, every template, every step-by-step guide I personally use, all in one place. And everything I build going forward gets added straight into the group the moment it drops. We are also testing strategies from all over the internet, automating them using PineScript, running them live, and sharing exactly what works and what does not. So you are not just getting tools. You are getting a live research operation. Inside, there is also a full agentic trading course, 2.5 hours, beginner to expert, no coding background needed. By the end of it, you will have your own AI trading system running live, something most retail traders do not even know is possible right now. $79.99 a month. One good trade covers it. And the first 100 members lock in that rate permanently. After that, the price goes up. The link is in the description. You genuinely cannot afford to miss this. Anyways, that's the full walkthrough of Mexy's new AI strategy builder. I think this is genuinely one of the more interesting things to come out of a major exchange this year. And the fact that it's free and requires zero coding makes it accessible to pretty much everyone. If you want to try it out yourself, the link to sign up on Mexy is down in the description below. Make sure you use it to get the best bonus available. And if you want the full step-by-step guide on how to build your own agentic trading system using Claude, that video is popping up on screen as well. Go and check that out next. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll be posting more videos like this breaking down tools and opportunities in the crypto space that most people are sleeping on. I'll see you in the next one.